Most men completely underestimate the power of their touch. They think it's just about where they put their hands. But here's the truth. It's not just about location. It's about intention. It's about energy. It's about how you make her feel with every move. When you touch a woman the right way, it's like flipping a switch in her mind and body. Suddenly, she's drawn to you, obsessed with you, and craving your touch even when you're not around. But get it wrong? You'll feel the difference. The spark isn't there. The chemistry fades. And she might not even know why she's losing interest. Here's the deal. Most guys rush. They're too rough. They focus on the wrong things. But if you master the right way to use your fingers, you won't just turn her on. You'll unlock a level of connection most men never experience. So let's get into it. The 3 places to put your fingers that will make her absolutely melt. And more importantly, how to use them the right way. Number 1. The right touch on her bosom. More than just a hand placement. Most men, they're too aggressive. They grab too fast. They go straight for her chest like it's a radio knob they're trying to tune. And that, my friend, is the fastest way to kill the moment. The first rule? Slow it down. A woman's body is built for anticipation. It's not just about the touch itself. It's about the build-up to the touch. That's what drives her wild. Start with the lightest trace of your fingertips. Think of it like a whisper against her skin, a delicate brush. Let your fingers barely graze her collarbone, then trace slow, lazy circles around her chest without touching her nipples just yet. Why? Because her body needs time to crave more. When you finally make contact, don't grab, don't squeeze. Instead, use the tip of your fingers to trace slow, teasing circles. Start with soft pressure, barely there. Then gradually increase it. A light pinch? Perfect. A slow, controlled tug? Even better. The key here is control. You're not just touching her. You're speaking to her body through your fingers. You're saying, I know exactly what I'm doing, and I know exactly how to make you want more. And trust me, she will want more. Number 2. Inside, where it matters most. The art of teasing and timing. This is where most men go wrong. They rush. They go too hard, too fast, and nothing ruins the moment more than a man who doesn't understand the build-up. Here's what you need to know. A woman's body responds to anticipation more than direct stimulation. Think of it like this. If you rush in without warming her up, her body isn't ready, and neither is her mind. But if you take your time, if you let her body beg for it, she'll feel everything more intensely. Start outside. Use one finger, lightly tracing over her sensitive areas without entering. Let her feel your presence without giving her exactly what she wants. When you finally go inside, don't move yet. Just let her body adjust to the sensation. Feel her breathing. Feel her response. Then, and only then, start moving. Slowly. Use a curling motion. Stroke her inner walls gently at first. Then increase the intensity when she's fully into it. If you do this right, you'll notice something. Her body will move with you. She'll start matching your rhythm. She'll start craving more. And that's when you step it up. More pressure. More deliberate movements. Now, you're not just touching her, you're guiding her into pleasure. Most guys don't get this. They think it's just about being aggressive. But it's not about force. It's about control. And when you master that, you'll make her feel things she didn't even know were possible. Number 3. Power moves that drive her wild. Why control matters more than chaos. A lot of guys assume women just want soft, delicate touches. And while that's true in the right moments, there's something else that ignites deep attraction. Power, not force, not aggression, but the kind of controlled, masculine energy that makes her feel your presence. When she's on top, moving against you, don't just lie there. Take control. Put your hands on her waist, her hips, maybe even her lower back. Guide her. Pull her into you. Let her feel your strength, not as dominance, but as confidence. This small shift makes a huge difference, because when a woman feels your control, she relaxes, she lets go, she surrenders, and that's where real pleasure happens, not just physically, but emotionally too. Most guys hesitate in these moments. They don't want to seem too aggressive. But here's the thing, women want to feel desired. They want a man who knows how to handle them with confidence, who understands the perfect balance of gentleness and strength. Master this, and she won't just enjoy the experience, she'll crave you. Because nothing is sexier than a man who knows exactly what he's doing. Here's the truth, a woman's body is designed for pleasure, but only if the man she's with knows how to lead her into it the right way. Most men, they rush, they hesitate, they second guess. But you're learning what most men never will. This isn't just about touching a woman, it's about connecting with her. It's about understanding what she craves before she even says a word. So now I have a question for you. Which of these three do you need to improve the most? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if you want to learn more secret techniques that drive women wild, hit that subscribe button, because I've got plenty more coming your way. See you in the next one.